What if the first computer programmer in history wasn't a man in a lab coat, but a woman in a Victorian dress with a passion for poetry and numbers? Enter Ada Lovelace, the brilliant mind who imagined machines that could do more than just calculate, machines that could think. Born in 1815, Augusta Ada Byron was the daughter of the famous poet Lord Byron and the mathematician Annabella Mobanky. From an early age, Ada was immersed in a world where logic met imagination. Her mother, determined to shield her from the emotional turbulence of her father's world, encouraged a rigorous education in mathematics. Yet Ada's poetic soul remained intact, and it was this unique blend of creativity and logic that would lead her to greatness. At just 17, Ada met Charles Babbage, the inventor of the analytical engine, a mechanical, general-purpose computer far ahead of its time. While many saw it as a glorified calculator, Ada saw something far more profound. In 1843, she translated and annotated an Italian paper on Babbage's machine, but her notes were longer than the original work. In them, she described how the machine could manipulate not just numbers but symbols, laying the conceptual foundation for modern computing. Ada envisioned a world where machines could create music, produce graphics, and more, ideas that wouldn't come to life until over a century later. She essentially wrote the first computer algorithm, making her the world's first programmer. And yet, for decades, her contributions were largely overlooked. Today, Ada Lovelace is finally being recognized not just as a historical curiosity, but as a visionary. Her story inspires not only those in science and technology but also anyone who dares to see beyond what is and imagine what could be. Her legacy reminds us that true innovation often lies at the crossroads of disciplines, where art meets science, and logic dances with creativity. So, how can we channel our own inner Ada Lovelace? By embracing both our analytical and creative sides. By believing that no idea is too bold, and that the future is built by those willing to imagine the impossible. What do you think modern computing would look like today if Ada Lovelace's vision had been fully embraced in her time?